other new arrivals, the 1978 Buick Electra 225 Landau hardtop. Where do you see these? You just don't see them.
You don't, although I'm looking for a 77 Buick LeSabre because that's what my parents had, and it's just like it.
My mom had a 74 Buick LeSabre, a Lexus 4-door hardtop with a 455.
Ooh.
But you could also get the Stage 1 455
That's right.
in that car. I don't think many people got that in
Where
the
are they? Where are they all?
I don't know where they went.
Got to join the Buick Club of America to see any of these things.
I tell you, a neighbor when I was growing up had a 74 Buick LeSabre Lexus convertible, black with red interior, black top with 455. That's a lot of car. That was a heck of a car.
Big cars.
Big old car. And
we all had LeSabres on our street for some reason.
A lot of LeSabres.
And Electras.
So this one is saffron over light buckskin. Yeah. This has only got the rebuilt 350 cubic inch 4-barrel V8. Numbers matching turbo hydromatic 400 3-speed automatic transmission in this smooth cruiser, man. Long-term ownership with this car. The people owned it and clean. And
super clean.